Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how the arithmetic operations flow in Java. So let's start. This is our main code, our class name and main method, in which I am going to show you how we can use the arithmetic functionalities like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is a class name. In that we have main method, public static void main, string of arguments, and the method body, in which we are going to write our code. So we'll define one variable int a equals to value, and don't forget to end it with semicolon. Next is int b equals to value, and then the variable in which we will store the result. So the addition of a plus b will be storing in C. So in system.out.println we will print that result. Okay, we can write as it is, like we can put variable in it to show the value. So let's see how how the output looks. By the way, I have created Maven project over here. हम जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे मैं Maven project भी बता दूँगी. So you can see the console. We have printed 9, which is the addition of a plus b. So yeah, and one more way to print your output is, like, if you want any custom lines, the result is, so I'll put space over there, and okay, just a second. Okay, yeah, and concatenating the variable. Okay, and then I'll comment this part. Then we will run this. Okay, see, as you can see, the result is 9. In the console we can see the output. The line is printed, the result is, and the result value in which we have stored the addition of a plus b. So like this, now we can see the result of another functionality like subtraction, then multiplication, and then division. So I'll a bracket d. We don't have that divide wala so we use forward slash over there. So now I'll just print every result in the system.out.println. The result is colon plus d. Again, the result is colon to we have stored e. We have multiplication result in e. Then the last f. The result is colon f. Okay, so now let's run this code. So see, we have the result. First one is addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division. So as you can see in the division part, what Java does is it will return the remainder of it when we perform the operation of division in it. It returns the remainder. 5 divisible by 4, it returns the remainder. Remainder is 1. And if we use the pattern of modulus, it will also yeah, one more thing is that double value cannot store the decimal point, so double f will store point values. Then we can run this code. see, we got the result 1.0. So that's how the double stores in it. Yep. So this is how you can write the arithmetic functionalities in Eclipse.